By voting, you decide on group assets. Over time, the voting menu offers more choices. Diego suggests to send 125 group shares to Maria. You may also enter the full domain name, maria.bocajr.arc. Confirming. And then, again, agree. Hey, there is an open proposal waiting for her vote. Maria executes sending 125 shares to herself. Of course, Maria votes in her own favor. Successfully executed a group decision on ARC testnet, thanks. That's the way Ungravel groups do daily business, sending free shares to group members, for example. To go back, double-click the domain name of Maria.